What's up guys, Eric Rendell here with Adept Creative Co. and this is our 2021 Honda CRF450R build. So for this build we wanted to do something really special for the Factory Connection crew. With the Geico team going under last year, always a sad thing to see a team leave the sport and at such a high level and such an amazing group of people. We've been longtime friends with the Factory Connection crew, so I just wanted to do something nice to, bring back some good memories of where it all started with Mike LaRocco in 1998. Him and Ziggy started the Factory Connection team, got Jack in the Box as a main sponsor, and got some Honda support, and it just blew up from there. We looked back at some pictures of the 98 LaRocco bike, and we wanted to replicate it as best we could on the 2021 model, and it's always cool to see old designs go onto the newer bikes. And we think this turned out absolutely amazing, and we hope you guys enjoy it. Obviously the parts on the 21 Hondas are hard to come by right now, so we were trying to get some wheels, but they're on back order, so we're still waiting on those. So we'll have some cool stuff we're doing to this bike in the future. So we'll add on bits and pieces as we move along, and we'll take you guys through that as well. We've got a carbon gas tank coming from Europe. We've got carbon engine mounts also coming from Europe. So for this bike we've got the Adept Creative Co graphics with the signature Jack in the Box logo. Factory Connection is the main logo to really replicate the 98 bike. And then we've got Dunlop tires, we've got the Factory Connection Showa suspension, we have Yoshimura exhaust system, Hinson clutch cover, we got the clutch casing and the water pump Cerakoted in a nice light tan color. It came out awesome, we're really stoked on that. Thank you Jake at the Moto Shop. We've got a Traction MX seat cover. They're my favorite seat cover in the business. Their grip is like no other. And then I want to give a thanks to Corey Barbie for the grip tape. on the frame. The gray looks really, really nice with the aluminum frames.
Mm-hmm.